Have you ever wondered what would happen if the moon collided with the sun? This question might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it opens a window into fundamental principles of astrophysics and the delicate balance of our solar system. First, consider the size and composition of these celestial bodies. The moon is significantly smaller than the sun, about 400 times smaller to be precise. The sun is a massive ball of hot, ionized gas known as plasma, while the moon is a rocky celestial body, devoid of an atmosphere. So, a collision would be like a pebble striking a stormy sea. The gravitational effects of such a collision would be profound. The sun's gravitational pull keeps the moon in orbit around the Earth. A collision could disrupt this delicate gravitational dance, potentially altering the moon's trajectory and shaking up Earth's tides and axial stability. The energy released from this hypothetical collision would be astronomical. The sun's gravitational potential energy, coupled with the moon's kinetic energy, would morph into thermal energy, light, and shock waves. The fallout of this energy release would ripple through our solar system. The solar impact would also be significant. The sun's outer layers, being gaseous, might absorb or dissipate some of the energy from the impact. However, the collision could trigger solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and other solar phenomena, influencing space weather and potentially affecting our technology here on Earth. The moon's role in regulating Earth's tides is crucial. Should a collision occur, tidal patterns could become erratic, impacting marine ecosystems and coastal regions. Changes in Earth's axial tilt due to the collision might also trigger profound shifts in our climate and seasons. The debris from the collision could contribute to the formation of a new asteroid belt. This debris field could present new challenges for future space missions and exploration. The long-term effects of a moon-sun collision would be hard to predict. Factors such as angular momentum, conservation of energy, and gravitational interactions would all play a role in the aftermath of such an event. In conclusion, a moon-sun collision, while highly unlikely, offers a fascinating lens into the intricate relationships that govern our solar system. The interplay of gravitational forces, energy transformations, and celestial dynamics underscores the complexity and fragility of our cosmic ballet. So the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the delicate balance that allows us to exist in this corner of the universe.